Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn CSIT. Today we are going to understand question No. 8 from the 2081 C programming question paper. Demonstrate the use of a recursive function with a suitable example. This is one of the most important concepts in programming because recursion is used in many advanced algorithms later on. What is a recursive function? A recursive function is a function that calls itself within its own definition. It's used for problems that can be broken down into smaller subproblems of the same type. For example, problems like factorial, Fibonacci series, and tree traversal can be solved easily using recursion. Let's break it down step by step. 1. We first declare a function factorial that takes an integer n. 2. Inside main, we take user input. For example, if the user enters 5, then num equals 5. 3. Then we call the function int result equals factorial num. This means factorial 5 will run. For inside the function, there's an if condition. If n equals 0, it returns 1. This is called the base case, which stops recursion. 5. If not, it returns an asterisk factorial n minus 1. 6. Now, it multiplies back. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 equals 120. Output will be factorial of 5 is 120. So that's how a recursive function works. It keeps calling itself until a base condition stops it. Recursion makes code short, readable, and useful for repetitive mathematical problems. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn CSIT for more 2081 TU question solution.